Hi guys, good afternoon. Ay, good morning rather. Just got here at SM Grand Central. As usual, we will be dining out. I mean, eating out for breakfast and lunch. Since it's our last day, it's our day off na kasi last shift kagabi, straight sa engagement namin. So, tapos magpapa-medical city kami. And schedule lang to cleaning, cleaning. Saan kami kakain? Let's find out. So ito na nga. Sinek namin sa Marugami Udon kung doon kami kakain. Kaso lang nakita namin yung Jollibee. Charing. Nakita namin yung Tongyang. Tongyang. Grilled and shabu-shabu. So, budol. I said we've been to the office straight from the engagement.
Hindi ko shabu. Ano yan?
Shabu-shabu. Kasi nga dapat sa Marugami Udon tayo kakain. Eh, almost same price lang. Tapos may romantic baboy. May raming koroda. Raming koroda will do.
Hi guys, so finally we decided to eat here at Raming Koroda, suggested by me. Kasi favorite ko talaga dito. Ngayon yung taste sa Japan, kasi dapat magkakano kami. Marugami Udon. Nakita namin yung Tongyang, and we decided to eat sa romantic baboy kasi lang din kasi naman bubukas, kasi walang salad. So Raming Koroda din. Let's eat and order.
Hi guys, so we are now here at Medical City for our check-up. Siyempre kahit may sakit kailangan fresh pa din. Charing! For our bawas insurance. Papacheck up kami ng mga kung ano-ano. Tama mali? Tama. Ganon. Call center pa. Time check 1:30 p.m. Heist.
Sulit si manager.
Hi guys! Sorry ka! Arigato! We had ramen for lunch and breakfast. Sana naman ito na to ha. Baka mamaya may merienda pa to.